Now we can start the second question, fourth one. 2x square plus 17 by 6x plus 1 into 3 by 2x square plus 4x plus 2 into 4 by 3x square plus 11 by 3x plus 2. Okay, we need to find the square root of the product of this all expressions. Since some coefficients are fractions, we can find the factorization separately and we can find the square root. Okay, so first you consider the first polynomial 2x square plus 17 by 6x plus 1. Now when you find the LCM, what you get? Here the denominator is 6. So the LCM is also 6. No other denominators. So we can consider the denominators are 1. So okay, 1 and 6. We can find the LCM is 6. Now we can find the equivalent fraction for the remaining coefficients. Okay, since the denominator for the first term is 1, the LCM divided by 1, it is 6. So 6 into the numerator. Okay, 6 into the numerator, it is 12. So we need LCM divided by denominator. With this you multiply the numerator. Okay, that is the rule. LCM divided by denominator, with that value multiply the numerator, so you will get the suitable number. Understood? So here you will get 12x square. Then for the second term, 17 by 6x, since the denominators are same, no change in the numerator, so 17x. Then what about the third term? The denominator is 1. So again the same rule, LCM divided by denominator, 6 divided by 1, it is 6, into the numerator, so into 1, it is 6. Okay, now we can factorize the numerator. So what is the product? 12 into 6 is equal to 72. Okay, 12 into 6 is equal to 72. So product 72, sum the coefficient of x, it is 17. So which is the suitable factor? By trial and error you find out it is 8 and 9. 8 9s are 72. Okay, then when you are adding, both signs are same, so the sum is also positive. 8 plus 9, 17. So you will get the suitable factor. Now when you are seeing the polynomial, okay, here in the numerator, it is the coefficient of x square is 12. So you need to divide by 12. 8 by 12, 9 by 12. Simplify this. Using 4 table, first one we can factor divide. So 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Second one using 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So you are getting 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Okay. So you are getting 2 by 3, 3 by 4. So using these factors, we can write the numerator. So what do you get? The denominator of this factor, you consider the coefficient of the variable x. So 3x plus 2. Okay. So first factor is 3x plus 2 into second factor is 4x plus 3. Understood? Divided by 6. Okay. Next we can consider second one. Consider 3 by 2 x square plus 4x plus 2. Here also one of the coefficient is a fraction. So we can find the LCM. The denominator of this coefficient is 2. So the LCM is also 2. Okay, have no change in this first term since the LCM and denominator same. Next one, second x term coefficient is 4. That means denominator 1. So LCM divided by 1, it is 2. 2 into 4, 8. Plus, then LCM 2, but denominator 1. So 2 divided by 1, the denominator 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so you got the quadratic equation as 3x square 8x plus 8x plus 4. Okay, we need to find the factors for this numerator. So the product is 3 into 4. Okay, 3 into 4, it is 12. Now product 12 and sum the coefficient of x term, it is 8. So the suitable factors are, by trial and error, okay, try one by one, you try what are the suitable factors for 12 with the sum 8. So you will get 6 and 2. So 6 2s are 12 and 6 plus 2 is 8. These two are the suitable factors, but the coefficient of x square is 3. So using 3 you have to divide. Okay, so first factor you can simplify as 2. So you are getting, it is 2 comma 2 by 3. Okay, so we can write the factors. First one is 2, that is x plus 2. Second one is 2 by 3. So since you have the denominator you consider the coefficient of x in the factor. So 3x plus 2 divided by 2. Understood? So the second expression also we factorized. Next we can see the third one. Consider 4 by 3 x square plus 11 by 3 x plus 2. Now you see this expression, two coefficients are fractions, but the denominators are same for both. So it is easy to find the LCM. What is the LCM? It is 3. Okay. Now no change in the x square term and x term coefficients. So 4x square plus 11x. What about the constant term? The denominator is 1. Okay, so 3 divided by 1, it is 3. 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Now we have the quadratic equation 4x square plus 11x plus 6. We need to factorize here. Okay. Now the coefficients of x square is 4 and the constant term is 6. So 4 6 are 24. So we get the product is 24 and the sum is the coefficient of x, it is 11. So the suitable factor is 8 and 3. Okay, since the coefficient of x square is 4, you need to divide by 4. First factor you can divide and can simplify, it is 2. Second one you cannot simplify. So you are getting the factors 2 comma 3 by 4. Okay, so how can we write the factors? For the quadratic polynomial, it is x plus 2 into 4x plus 3. Okay, divided by 3. Are you all clear? So this factorization over now. Then using this all factors, we can find the square root for the given expressions. Okay. So we can find the square root. To find square root of 2x square plus 17 by 6x plus 1 into 3 by 2x square plus 4x plus 2 into 4 by 3x square plus 11 by 3x plus 2. Okay, now you know the factors for this, all the three expressions. So from this factors you can write all. Okay, first one 3x plus 2 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6. Second one x plus 2 into 3x plus 2 divided by 2. Third one x plus 2 into 4x plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, so you can substitute this all values inside the square root and simplify. Understood? So you will get the factors inside the square root. Okay, all the factors you can write it. Now you multiply the denominators in both all are the numbers and the numerators also. Okay, in the numerators you see 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2. Okay, so 3x plus 2 the whole square. Then 4x plus 3 into 4x plus 3, it is 4x plus 3 the whole square. X plus 2 into x plus 2, so it is x plus 2 the whole square. Understood? So we can write square root of 3x plus 2 the whole square into x plus 2 the whole square into 4x plus 3 the whole square divided by, sorry, this denominator is 3, divided by 6 into 2 into 3. What is the value? 6 into 2 into 3. 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay. Otherwise, you can see 2 3s are 6. So 6 into 6, it is 6 square. Okay. Are you all clear? So when outside the square root, without the square symbol, you can write all the factors. So you will get 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 into 4x plus 3 divided by 6. Okay. But the square root value, we need to write it inside the absolute for this expression. So you will get 1 by 6 into the absolute value of 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 into 4x plus 3. Okay, are you all clear?